Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm back with the new video, and again, as the series is continuing, I am actually bringing clone others for luxurious scents and designer perfume to you guys, to have an experience of how the luxurious perfume smells like. So today, yet again, I want to start the video by asking you guys that are you a fan of luxurious fragrances without even paying the hefty prices of the luxurious scents? I guess yes, that's why you guys are here and watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. And thank you for liking my videos. Thank you very much. And for the people who have subscribed my channel and thought that I'm making the content worthy of their watching. And so back to the video, guys. So today I am gonna be discussing about another luxurious scent, which comes with a hefty price tag. And also I have an exciting news for you guys, and might have actually answered your prayers. So let's just dive into the things I'm talking about today. So the perfume I'm going to be talking about today is going to be Baccarat Rouge 540 Alternatives. Baccarat Rouge 540 is an exquisite blend of mesmerizing scent, but let's just not deny the fact that it has a very hefty price tag, and I think that most of them is not able to afford it, because the original bottle of Baccarat Rouge 540 comes for 20,000 rupees, which is pretty expensive for a normal person to buy that kind of perfume. And finding more budget-friendly perfume with the same essence and the quality of Baccarat Rouge 540, it's quite a bit a challenge. And this is where the clone attar comes into the play. And of course, when the clone attar promises to deliver the same scent profile as without breaking the bank. Yes, guys. So Baccarat Rouge, so like I just said that in my video before, that the Baccarat Rouge 540 has a very unique scent profile of saffron, cedarwood, and jasmine, and it has a very luxurious kind of vibe into it, and that's why it is actually very popular in the perfume industry. And of course, people are just lining up and buying this perfume. If you're not aware about how the Baccarat Rouge 540 bottle looks like, so it looks like this. Now, so we're going to be discussing about the attar clone of Baccarat Rouge 540. And so the attar I'm bringing you today is again from the House of Gulab Singh Chorimal. And guys, the name of the attar is Baccarat 540, and the name is just fading out a little bit because of my sweaty hands. I'm really sorry for that. Yes, so this perfume has a very unique scent profile. Like I just said, that it just gives you an instant dose of luxury. And I would say that the counterpart, if you actually gonna buy this perfume, this is the perfect counterpart of the original Baccarat Rouge 540. And I would say that as soon as it just opens, just gives me like if I'm just sitting in some formal place and someone just passes by wearing this perfume, I would immediately have the image of a very rich man with really fancy lifestyle and all that stuff. That's why it is actually very popular, and again, it's a unisex perfume. So like I've already told you that Baccarat Rouge 540 the original Baccarat Rouge 540 will cost you around 20,000 rupees in Indian currency. However, on the other hand, for this perfume, you're gonna be paying like 320 rupees for the full 10 ml bottle and 160 rupees for the 5 ml bottle. Now, let's just dive into the notes of the perfume. So the notes of the perfume are as such as follows. As soon as I open the scent, and it just gives me a very, very smooth kind of saffron, like not a very like slap on the face saffron. However, it's a very saffron heavy perfume, right? And as soon as it opens, it just gives me a very strong saffron and very smooth saffron, very luxurious saffron, and jasmine. And jasmine is not that overpowering. Saffron is just more overpowering. And as soon as it settles down into its middle notes, it gives me a very smooth kind of amberwood and ambergris. And when it's into the base note, it has the fragrance of the resin and cedar wood. Absolutely, like I just said that, you know, it's a very, very cedar wood heavy and jasmine, and it's a very, very really good mixture of both the three profiles. I applied this once. I'll tell you the longevity of the perfume. I applied it once on a very, very sweaty day. I found that the longevity is not that profound. However, it lasted for like 3 to 4 hours, and on a very, very sweaty day, because I was sweating like a pig, and it did not last for very long. Since I talk about saffron as a saffron-centric perfume, so I think that it might gonna last more in winters, but not that prominent in comparative to other fragrances from this same house of Gulab Singh Jorimal. And one more thing, that this gives me a very like, it just gives me a very, very luxurious profile. I don't use it that often because now it's summer days, and people don't want to wear these saffron heavy perfumes in summers because it's just kind of suffocating sometimes and just gives you a little bit of headache. However, if I just wear in winters, then people might just like it. This is absolutely gem and mesmerizing and very luxurious, almost like you want to smell like a sheikh, like a sheikh from Dubai. So yes, guys, this is how the scent profile looks like. And so I'll tell you the pros and cons of the perfume. The pros and cons is just that because it's a very it's a winter perfume. It's not a versatile perfume, and also it's I would say that the pros could be that it has a unique and memorable scent that lingers in your memory. Like it won't disappoint you. It's a masterpiece of the perfumery. And the cons could be that it's more like an hype, very expensive, not ideal for warm weather, and African sweetness to it, and a lot of it. It's actually subjective. I would say that it's a very subjective thing, and people like it, people might not like it. And this was all about the scent profile. And so yes, I would say that it's an absolutely buy, and yes, it's total buy for in the winter times, and absolutely it's gonna fetch you lots and lots of compliment once you buy this, because this is absolutely luxury. And guys, I'm just want to tell you that this product, any of the products of which I review on my YouTube channel are not at all sponsored by any of the house or any perfumery. This is all I bought it from my own money. And again, Baccarat Rouge Burger 540 is again a beautiful fragrance by House of Gulab Singh Jordan. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And guys, I have a very humble request that please subscribe my channel and at least help me to reach 100 subscribers. And I know I'm a very small YouTuber, and but guys, you are the watchers and you are the viewers. Please support me and help me to reach at least 100 subscribers. It helps me to make new content for you guys. And this is just a request to you guys. Well, thank you for your time, and please, if you like my video, please comment down there and like my videos. And I said that please subscribe my channel. And thank you for your time. Thank you. Good night. Good morning, anytime, whatever time you're watching this video. Bye bye.